About half a mile from the car washes and we got a flat tire.
Unbelievable, damn it.
Stuart's first appearance in a while that you guys are requesting, and we get a flat tire. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's flat. There it is. And he just said the other day he needs new tires. Should have got it done. Even with a Tundra Special Edition, still get flat tires.
Where's the thing to make it?
We were going to change it ourselves, but we figured we'd call Triple H much easier, so I guess we'll walk across to McDonald's, get some food.
Just filling up the soap. This is concentrated soap, and then we'll add some water with it. Usually I put 3 of these in, but I'm only going to put 1 right now to keep me going. I'm out of soap. 1 there, maybe.
So it's a 55-gallon drum, we put 3 of those in.
And then fill it with water.
And then fill it up with water because it's super concentrated.
Yeah, they're 5 gallons. But I have to bring some soap from the other car wash, so what I'll do is I'll just put 1 of these in now and then fill it up to here.
Keep it going.
Keep it going.
what happened here.
Well, these cheap things that they give us, they keep breaking all the time. So these holsters are no good. And the problem with having them in the tiles, you have to get a tile cutter to make a new hole. Get a tile cutter first before you can get the drill, put the anchors in. But I'll take this one off and I'll put one on for now.
I tell you, get the spring-loaded ones.
I know, I think I'm wrong.
Yeah, great. Ever since I put them in. You got a brand new holder there, right?
Oh, this is the one I got out from Victorville yesterday. I'll put a new one on when I actually get